Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to draw the adjuster arm. That's this guy right here. It's a tricky one, so that's why I don't mind going through it and letting you follow along. So let's get started. We're going to start by drawing some circles. This circle, and this circle, and this circle. And we need to know that from the outside quadrant of this circle, we have the center mark of this circle 8¼ inches. These two circles here are concentric, meaning they have the same center. So let's go to AutoCAD and get started. Okay, so let's draw the first circle. Circle command. Start anywhere in space. I'm going to click, and it's asking you to specify the radius of the circle. See down here? Okay, so the radius from our drawing is 3/4, so 3/4. See what I wrote right here? 3/4. Enter. Zoom in a little bit. Now, my object snap settings should be on. They are. It's highlighted in blue. And right mouse click. For this one, I'm going to need to have endpoint, center, quadrant, definitely, and intersection. So boom, 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 and boom. And then click off. All right, escape, escape. Now let's draw the other circle that goes around the outside, circle command. If I touch on that circle somewhere, look at, there's the center. See how it sticks to it like glue? Click, and now the radius is 1-1/8, or 1 1/8. Enter. Now, from this quadrant, line command, click on this quadrant, draw a line in the left direction, 8-1/4. Boom. And now look at what I can do. I can take this outside circle that has a radius of 1 1/8, and I can just basically copy it from here, from that center mark, to the end of the line that I just drew. Boom. So let's do that. Copy, CO, enter. This circle, because it says select objects down your command line. Now I'm done selecting objects, enter. Get the center of that circle, click, and put your copy at the end of that line. Boom. All right, I zoomed out just a little bit, too much. So let's leave it right there. Let me get rid of this guy. Okay. So now we're going to put a 2-inch slot in here, and the distance from the center of our 2-inch slot from here, 4 5/8, is here. So let's draw an imaginary line, or construction line, or just a regular line, from the center here, out here, 4 5/8. Let's do that. So line command, from this center mark, there it is, out to here, 4-5/8. Enter. Now, go to this edge, click on this line and delete it so we can see the smaller line that we just drew. On the end of this line, I'm going to draw this circle that has a radius of 1/2. Now look, it's looking for radius 1/2. I'm going to copy this circle, enter, from this center mark, and I'm going to slide down this way. Don't click. Type in 2 in that in the direction going to the right. Enter. Escape, escape. Makes another one right there. Okay? So now I can take my line command, and I can draw that. Click, click. Enter. Hit enter again. It renews the same line command, and you can draw it again. Click, click, escape, escape. Okay, now we're going to trim this out in a little bit. I want to draw this area now. This arc is part of a circle with a radius of 1 1/8, and the center mark for that is at 2 1/4 inches from this center mark straight up. So I want to come here and draw a line coming up or down. I'm going to draw it down. 2-1/4. Enter. Now, what do you know about a circle that is 1 1/8? Well, I have one here and I have one here. Correct. You have one there and you have one there. I'm sort of losing it today. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to copy this circle, or you can copy the other one. It doesn't matter. Enter. And from the center mark, put it there to there. Escape, escape. Now let's connect some lines. First of all, click on this line and delete it. Click on this line and delete it. Now let's draw a line from the bottom quadrant of this outer circle, from here to the top quadrant of this circle. Escape, escape. Now let's draw a line, and we're going to use object O-tracking now. We're going to hit the line command. I'm going to go to this quadrant right here, click, and I'm going to come up how far? So it's even with this quadrant right there. See how I did it? The O-track, it locks in, click, and then come to here, click, escape, escape. The handle is now trying to take shape. Okay? Now, I want to mirror this. Excuse me. I'm sorry. I forgot to select mirror. So where's mirror? Right. Oh, don't tell me. Here it is. Mirror. What do you want to mirror? It says mirror. Select objects that you want to mirror. I want to mirror that. This circle, and this line. Enter. What's the first point of the mirror line? Anywhere down the middle here. So I can click this, I can click this, I can click this. It doesn't matter. I'm going to click that, and I'm going to go all the way down to that. That line is right, that imaginary line that I just drew is right down the center. Click. Now it says, do you want to erase the source objects? That's these guys. No. N. Enter. Escape, escape. You see it? Let's get our trim command. I like to type TR enter, trim. What lines do you want to trim to? I'm going to cheat, folks. I want to select it all. I just made a big box touching everything. Hit enter, because I'm done selecting what I want to trim to. Enter. And now I want to get rid of that. I want to get rid of this. 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 And I want to get rid of this. Now it sort of looks like an ice scraper. Anybody's ever lived up in New York. Okay, so now I'm going to hit escape, escape, clear out my commands. I only have one more thing I have to do, and that's put a chamfer right here and right here. Okay, come on. Give me my drawing. My computer won't give me my drawing for some reason. Okay, the chamfer is 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch, so it's a perfect chamfer. So let's go to our modifications over here. And let's get I got it to work. I had draw zoom in there for some reason. 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch. This is the last thing we have to do. So I'm going to come here and get my chamfer tool. That's right here. And it says, select the first line to chamfer. Okay, well, I don't want to do that. I want to do distance. And my distance is 1/2. Enter. The second chamfer distance is also 1/2, and it's populated for you. So just hit enter again. And now click this line and this line. Hit enter and do it again. Escape, escape. Okay? And there is your adjuster plate. So I would go File, Save As, and put it in your document. Save it somewhere. All caps, adjuster arm, rather. I'm sorry, adjuster arm. Save. And it's ready to be uploaded.